Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech. I'm back with another sweet lesson. Today we're going to learn about SetPensize. So my friends, let's get cracking. Alright, so first things first, make sure you load your house, and if you're playing with this lesson, you should have your entire house, all the little pieces, painted. The new command that I want to show you, if you've reached that point, is called SetPensize. Now, I do not have a shortcut for this one. It's got to be the long word, and then you've also got to type numbers after it. I'm going to tell you that right now it is set as SetPensize 11. We want to make that something more interesting for a moment, so we're going to do 5 space 5. Make sure you do your brackets thick, and then press enter. The next time you do CS space house, watch this. It draws everything with crazy thick pen sizes. Now that's really silly, so we're going to set it back to 11. And that is an important thing to remember. Every time you change it for one piece, you need to set it back at the end for 11, and then when you redraw, it'll come back the way it was. But watch this technique to make lines in a future road. If you use XY to move down and left, so I'm going to go negative 500, and I'm going to go negative 125, because that's where I would want to put my road. You can see the little turtles over here. We're going to do right 90, or you could do Seth 90, whichever you prefer. And then I want to make really thick yellow lines for the center of my road. So I'm going to type SetPensize, and I'm going to do the brackets, and I'm going to go crazy huge. I'm going to go 15 space 15 for how big they are, and I'm going to press enter. Now I want the lines to be yellow, so I'm going to do set pen color with set PC, and I'm going to do the number 6. We can see that back here on this screen once again. Remember, those are our colors. And then here's where it gets fun. If we do the repeat command and we go 10 times, which will figure out the right number as we play, I'm going to do the square brackets, and I'm going to go forward 20, pen up, forward 20 more where the pen's not touching, and then I'm going to finally put the pen down and do the brackets. When I press enter, zzz, we get the yellow lines for a road all the way across our screen. Now remember, if you really built this, you need to put these smart commands in a word called road, and then you would find the right number to make it all the way across. I'm going to go back. All of these codes are still in place, and just for giggles, I'm going to change this to a 25 just to see if that looks much better. There you go, I made it all the way across with cool yellow lines that almost make it look like a road. You can change these numbers, you can make it way more awesome, but this is where you start to learn to use smart code to make your project draw really awesome. Just remember, when you do make the cool word, you need to end SetPensize 11 with the brackets, so that the rest of your house draws fine afterwards. Alrighty, friends, so there I showed you how SetPensize works. I didn't give you all the skills. I'm hoping you can figure that on your own to make awesome things in your logo project. Friends, if you found the video useful, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.